Hey, what's up, guys? It's PO. We're going to randomize the draft order for the head-to-head league on Sunday night. I have my lovely assistant, McKenna,
Hi.
helping me this evening, so that way we can keep the profanity to a minimum with her helping when I get last pick again. There's everybody. Stump, me, Greg, Greg, and Stump,
Greg and Stump.
and Vreeze, and Zach, and Charlie,
Charlie
and
Brown.
not Charlie Brown.
No.
And Michael Hyatt and Chris Dolata. All right, boys, here we go. We're going to roll the dice. It has to be a 4 or higher. McKenna's going to tell us what it is.
Okay. It is a 7.
Correct. We are going to go 7 times. Lucky number 7. 1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6.
Now, after 6, Greg is on the top. I am in the 6th spot.
Daddy.
But we are going to go one more time. We're going to go 7 times. You can see right here that this went 6 times.
Uh-oh, guys.
So we're going to click it one more time for the draft order. Here we go.
And I'll tell the draft order.
Oh, my goodness. Stump, you are dead last.
So the first one.
But it's 8 people. So read off who's going.
First is Charlie Brown. Next is Dad, P.O. And Zach.
Hyatt.
Hyatt, Greg, Vreeze,
Dolata.
Dolata, and Stump.
Dolata and Stump. All right, there we go, guys.
Bye.
There is our draft order. I will post the video and in the chat, and then I'll see you guys Sunday at 8.